It's a new day and a new game on day 2 of the North America Diving Dog Santa Splash. Yesterday, 10 dogs were tested in the sport of air retrieve, which challenges dogs to soar through the air and catch a suspended bumper. But today, it's not about air, it's about speed. 29 dogs in a timed race from one end of the pool to the other. This is Hydro Dash, part of the 10th annual Santa Splash event here in Orlando. Hey, everybody. Next to Jason Rigler, I'm Kelly O'Donnell. Jason, Hydro Dash is a fast-paced, timed event that tests the dog's swimming ability. It's a lot of fun to watch. Our first dog is Barley, and watch that poodle go.
Yeah, so right to the ramp. That's not the kind of start we're looking for. We're looking for a clean entry into the pool. That landing on the ramp does negate this attempt. But they're going to go back-to-back today, right? So they get 2 chances back-to-back, and that's why, because if maybe they're in a new pool, new environment, new location, and that first attempt goes awry, they get a second chance to put in a good time.
Barley is a 2-year-old standard poodle who has been jumping in North American diving dogs for about a year. Loves to play up dog, so loves catching that frisbee in addition to the bumper. And, you know, Jason, some people who are dog enthusiasts will see a standard poodle in the show ring, and maybe it's a misconception that it's just a show dog. Poodles are incredibly athletic. Yeah,
they're smart, they're biddable, like they want to work and play. So yeah, poodles are like the dark horse in dog sports, I think. So here you see the goal here is they swim down and they must dislodge that toy completely. Took a few extra seconds there at the toy, and pretty leisurely, I think, swim. Not the intensity we're going to see for some of our faster teams.
And the clock stops right there when they get to the 10-foot mark.